Ananya, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share how you can make these nutrient-rich, healthy, good-looking laddus or mixed seed balls at home. If you are seeing me for the first time, do subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Adding seeds in your diet is really beneficial if you want to reduce weight, lower your blood pressure and cholesterol. If you are someone who doesn't have enough time at hand and wants to reduce consumption of processed food and snacks, then you should definitely check this out. So let's get started.
At first, take 2 teaspoons of roasted sunflower seeds. You can easily get sunflower seeds from any online store. They are high in protein and rich in healthy fats as well as antioxidants. Now add 2 teaspoons roasted pumpkin seeds. They are rich in antioxidants, they reduce the risk of cancer and they also help in lowering your blood pressure. I'll add the product links in the description. I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of ground flaxseed powder. It is better to consume flax seeds in powdered form because they are easy to digest than the whole flax seeds. All these seeds are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds also help to regulate your period, so it is very beneficial for the ladies who suffer from PCOD. Now I'm going to grind all the seeds together to make a seed mixture. You can also store this powder in the refrigerator and use it in your smoothies or any other recipes. You can also add this in your hair care and skincare routine. Now to make the laddus, I am going to add some de-seeded dates paste. The dates will help in binding the laddus or balls together. Now I am going to add some honey. Now mix them together to make a sticky paste. Now take a small portion and roll it in your palms. You can store them in an airtight container and put them in the refrigerator for 7 to 10 days. You can have them when you have your food cravings. You can also have them as your pre or post workout snack. If you guys want me to share healthy breakfast and snacks ideas, let me know in the comments below, and do try this recipe at home and let me know how it turned out. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.